How to remove someone from Life360. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove someone from Life360, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove someone from Life360, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Life360 app. And after you do that, from the very top, make sure to actually select a proper circle from which you want to remove the members. After you do that, you can tap the gear icon located at the top left hand side of the screen. Then just go to circle management. Now over here you'll find the option called delete circle members. Tap on it and here you'll be able to see people who are selected in your circle, so make sure to select them. Tap on the delete option, tap on yes, and this person will get successfully removed from your circle. This way you will be able to remove someone from Life360. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.